Hi there, students. To mutilate a verb. Mutilated as an adjective, and then mutilation, the noun of the quality. Okay, let's see. If a person is mutilated, or an animal is mutilated, their body has been damaged severely, normally by somebody who has attacked them physically. So if somebody is mutilated, you harm the person, and the use of something, of part of your body, a vital part, is no longer as complete as it was. So he found it very difficult to mutilate. He found it very difficult to use his mutilated arm. To mutilate something, to destroy something beyond recognition. Keep your ticket until the end of your journey. Do not mutilate your ticket. Don't destroy it. Don't rip it or draw all over it. And then you can use this more figuratively, to mutilate, to make defective, to mar, to spoil. So the Vandals mutilated the statue. They knocked off its arms and they knocked off its nose. The dead bodies had been mutilated beyond recognition. They'd been had parts cut off them. They'd been treated extremely violently. Okay, so to mutilate, to inflict a violent, disfiguring injury on somebody. The prisoners had been mutilated. To mutilate, to maim. To maim, to hurt somebody with an injury that makes part of their body no longer work properly, or to disfigure as well. In the car accident, his face went through the windscreen, which mutilated his face, and he had to have plastic surgery to make these mutilations less serious. Okay, so to mutilate something, to inflict serious damage on it. You could also mutilate an idea, or a film, or a book. So the film has mutilated the book. They've destroyed the idea. They've taken away from it all of its beautiful characteristics. They've mutilated the film by making so many. They've mutilated the story by changing so many details that it's no longer the same thing. It's been mutilated beyond recognition. Maybe there are very good and pure political ideas, but when politics starts to get hold of them, they mutilate them to fit their own, a person's own ideology. Okay, so this is the idea of to mutilate. Something that's mutilated has been cut up and had bits cut off it, and it's no longer the same thing. Okay, so to mutilate, to maim, to damage, to injure, to disable, to cripple, to cut up, to mangle, to dismember, to cut to pieces, to distort, to spoil. So the screenplay had mutilated the original story. To mutilate, you can also use it to cut off a limb, an arm or a leg, or a member, or a member of the body, an arm or a leg, to cripple. Okay, so to mutilate, formality. I'm going to give it, I think, a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin mutilatus, from the verb mutilio, to mutilate, from mutilus, maimed. So, enough. I hope I haven't mutilated the meaning of mutilate. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Mutilate, mutilation, mutilated.